This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Engine oil and filter renewal. Open the driver's door and pull the bonnet release lever. Lift the bonnet slightly. Slide the safety catch to one side, then fully raise the bonnet. Unclip the support strut and engage it with the bonnet slam panel. Chock the rear wheels. Position the workshop jack adjacent to the sill jacking point. Then raise the vehicle until the wheels are clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the jacking point and remove the jack. The engine undershield is secured by a mixture of bolts, screws and plastic expansion rivets. Undo the screws and bolts, then prise out the centre pins slightly and remove the expansion rivets. With the fasteners released, remove the undershield. Unscrew and remove the engine oil filler cap. Position a suitable container under the engine sump drain plug. Using an 8mm square bit, slacken and remove the drain plug. Allow the oil to drain into the container. Remove the old sealing washer, wipe clean the sump plug and fit a new washer. Wipe clean the area around the sump, then fit the drain plug and tighten it to the specified torque. Reposition the drain container, then using a 27mm socket, unscrew the filter cap and remove it along with the filter. Be prepared for oil spillage. Use a clean rag to remove any oil, dirt and sludge from up inside the oil filter housing. Wipe clean the inside of the cap and remove the old O-ring seal. Fit the new O-ring seal, ensuring it's correctly located, then lubricate the new seal with a little clean engine oil. Insert the filter into the housing, refit the cap and tighten it to the specified torque. Remove the container from beneath the vehicle. Using a funnel to reduce spillage, add the correct specification of oil to the engine. Pour in half the specified quantity at first, then wait a few minutes for the oil to drain into the sump. Continue to add oil, a small quantity at a time, until the level is up to the lower mark on the dipstick. Add more oil as necessary to bring the level to the upper mark. Do not overfill. Refit the dipstick and securely refit the filler cap. Maneuver the undershield into position, then refit and secure the fasteners. Raise the vehicle. Remove the axle stands and lower it to the floor. Remove the jack. Don't forget to remove the rear wheel chocks. Release the support strut and clip it back into place. Firmly close the bonnet.